graceful moves, and a spirit of togetherness as our block takes the stage. As the G12.PN1 Unity Dance Crew, we're here to transform the atmosphere with a powerful display of creativity, skill, and dedication. Once again, let's give it up for G12.PN1.
Welcome to Philippine Airlines. We care about your safety. Please stow your baggage in overhead bins or under the seats in front of you. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not allowed.